the archipelago of the Comoros in the Indian Ocean, composed of the islands of Mayotte, Anjouan, Mohli, and Grand Comore, declared independence from France on 6 July 1975. France did not recognize the independence of Mayotte, which remains under French administration. Since independence, Comoros has endured political instability through realized and attempted coups. In 1997, the islands of Anjouan and Mohli declared independence from Comoros. In 1999, military chief Col. Azli Assoumani seized power of the entire government in a bloodless coup. He initiated the 2000 Fomboni Accords, a power-sharing agreement in which the federal presidency rotates among the 3 islands, and each island maintains its local government. Azli won the 2002 federal presidential election as president of the Union of the Comoros from Grand Comore Island, which held the first 4-year term. Azli stepped down in 2006 and President Ahmed Abdullah Mohamed Sambi was elected to office as president from Anjouan. In 2007, Mohamed Bakar effected Anjouan's de facto secession from the Union of the Comoros, refusing to step down when Comoros' other islands held legitimate elections in July. The African Union, initially attempted to resolve the political crisis by applying sanctions and a naval blockade to Anjouan, but in March 2008 the and Comoran soldiers seized the island. The island's inhabitants generally welcomed the move. In 2009, the Comorian population approved a constitutional referendum extending the term of the president from 4 years to 5 years. In May 2011, Ikelilu Doinen won the presidency in peaceful elections widely deemed to be free and fair. In closely contested elections in 2016, former President Azli Assoumani won a second term, when the rotating presidency returned to Grand Comore. A new constitution adopted in July 2018 will restart the rotating presidency in 2019 and allow for 2 consecutive 5-year terms.
Geography.
Comoros.
Location: Southern Africa, group of islands at the northern mouth of the Mozambique Channel, about 2/3 of the way between northern Madagascar and northern Mozambique.
Geographic coordinates: 1210s, 4415e.
Map references: Africa.
Area: total
2,235 square kilometers.
Land:
2,235 square kilometers.
Water:
0 square kilometers.
Country comparison to the world:
180.
Area: comparative, slightly more than 12 times the size of Washington, D.C.
Land boundaries: 0 kilometers.
Coastline: 340 kilometers.
Maritime claims: territorial sea.
12 nanometers.
Exclusive economic zone:
200 nanometers.
Climate: tropical marine. Rainy season: November to May.
Terrain: volcanic islands. Interiors vary from steep mountains to low hills.
Elevation: lowest point:
Indian Ocean 0 meters.
Highest point:
Karthala 2,360 meters.
Natural resources: fish.
Land use: agricultural land
84.4%.
Arable land
46.7%. Permanent crops
29.6%. Permanent pasture
8.1%.
Forest
1.4%.
Other
14.2%.
Irrigated land 1.3 square kilometers.
Population distribution: the capital city of Moroni, located on the western side of the island of Grande Comore, is the country's largest city. However, of the 3 islands that comprise Comoros, it is Anjouan that is the most densely populated.
Natural hazards: cyclones possible during rainy season, December to April. Volcanic activity on Grand Comore.
Volcanism:
Karthala, 2,361 meters, on Grand Comore Island last erupted in 2007. A 2005 eruption forced thousands of people to be evacuated and produced a large ash cloud.
Environment: current issues: deforestation. Soil degradation and erosion results from forest loss and from crop cultivation on slopes without proper terracing. Marine biodiversity affected as soil erosion leads to the silting of coral reefs.
Environment, international agreements. Party 2.
Biodiversity, climate change. climate change, Kyoto Protocol, desertification, endangered species, hazardous wastes, law of the sea, ozone layer protection, ship pollution, wetlands.
Signed, but not ratified.
None of the selected agreements.
Geography. Note, important location at northern end of Mozambique Channel.
People and society.
Comoros.
Population 821,164.
Country comparison to the world.
163.
Nationality. Noun.
Comoran. S.
Adjective.
Comoran.
Ethnic groups. Antelote, Kafa, Makoa, Oyamatsaha, Sekalava.
Languages. Arabic. Official. French. Official. Shikamoro. Official. A blend of Swahili and Arabic. Comorian.
Religions. Sunni Muslim 98%. Other, including Shia Muslim, Roman Catholic, Jehovah's Witness, Protestant 2%.
Note.
Sunni Islam is the state religion.
Demographic profile. Comoros population is a melange of Arabs, Persians, Indonesians, Africans, and Indians, and the much smaller number of Europeans that settled on the islands between the 8th and 19th centuries, when they served as a regional trade hub. The Arab and Persian influence is most evident in the island's overwhelmingly Muslim majority. About 98% of Comorans are Sunni Muslims. The country is densely populated, averaging nearly 350 people per square mile, although this varies widely among the islands, with Anjouan being the most densely populated.
Given the large share of land dedicated to agriculture and Comoros' growing population, habitable land is becoming increasingly crowded. The combination of increasing population pressure on limited land and resources, widespread poverty, and poor job prospects motivates thousands of Comorans each year to attempt to illegally migrate using small fishing boats to the neighboring island of Mayotte, which is a French territory. The majority of legal Comoran migration to France came after Comoros' independence from France in 1975. With the flow peaking in the mid-1980s.
At least 150,000 to 200,000 people of Comoran citizenship or descent live abroad, mainly in France, where they have gone seeking a better quality of life, job opportunities, higher education. Comoros has no universities, advanced healthcare, and to finance elaborate traditional wedding ceremonies, Oda, remittances from the diaspora are an economic mainstay, in 2013 representing approximately 25% of Comoros' GDP and significantly more than the value of its exports of goods and services, only 15% of GDP. Grand Comore, Comoros' most populous island, is both the primary source of emigrants and the main recipient of remittances. Most remittances are spent on private consumption, but this often goes toward luxury goods and the Oda and does not contribute to economic development or poverty reduction. Although the majority of the diaspora is now French-born with more distinct ties to Comoros, it is unclear whether they will sustain the current level of remittances.
Age structure 0–14 years.
38.54%. Male 157,764. Female 158,676.
15–24 years.
19.89%. Male 79,133. Female 84,181.
25–54 years.
33.25%. Male 129,645. Female 143,408.
55–64 years.
4.34%. Male 15,957. Female 19,690.
65 years and over.
3.98%. Male 14,881. Female 17,829.
Population pyramid.
Population pyramid.
Dependency ratios.
Dependency ratios are a measure of the age structure of a population. They relate the number of individuals that are likely to be economically dependent on the support of others. Dependency ratios contrast the ratio of youths, ages 0 to 14, and the elderly, ages 65 plus, to the number of those in the working age group, ages 15 to 64. Changes in the dependency ratio provide an indication of potential social support requirements resulting from changes in population age structures, as fertility leave, More dependency ratios field listing.
Total dependency ratio.
75.5.
Youth dependency ratio.
70.5.
Elderly dependency ratio.
5.1.
Potential support ratio.
19.7.
Median age, total.
20.2 years.
Male.
19.5 years.
Female.
20.8 years.
Country comparison to the world.
188.
Population growth rate, 1.57%.
Country comparison to the world.
66.
Birth rate, 25.3 births out of 1,000 population.
Country comparison to the world.
49.
Death rate, 7.1 deaths out of 1,000 population.
Country comparison to the world.
125.
Net migration rate, -2.4 migrant, s, out of 1,000 population.
Country comparison to the world.
167.
Population distribution. The capital city of Moroni, located on the western side of the island of Grand Comore, is the country's largest city. However, of the three islands that comprise Comoros, it is Anjouan that is the most densely populated.
Urbanization. Urban population.
29% of total population.
Rate of urbanization.
2.87% annual rate of change.
Major urban areas. Population 62,000 Moroni. Capital.
Sex ratio, at birth.
1.02 male every 1 female.
0-14 years.
0.99 male every 1 female.
15-24 years.
0.94 male every 1 female.
25-54 years.
0.9 male every 1 female.
55-64 years.
0.8 male every 1 female.
65 years and over.
0.88 male every 1 female.
Total population.
0.94 male every 1 female.
Mother's mean age at first birth, 24.6 years.
Note.
Median age at first birth among women 25-29.
Maternal mortality rate 335 deaths/100,000 live births.
Country comparison to the world.
38.
Infant mortality rate, total.
58.3 deaths out of 1,000 live births.
Male.
68.4 deaths out of 1,000 live births.
Female.
47.9 deaths out of 1,000 live births.
Country comparison to the world.
17.
Life expectancy at birth, total population.
64.9 years.
Male.
62.6 years.
Female.
67.4 years.
Country comparison to the world.
185.
Total fertility rate, 3.21 children born. Woman.
Country comparison to the world.
46.
Contraceptive prevalence rate, 19.4%.
Health expenditures, 6.7% of GDP.
Country comparison to the world.
88.
Hospital bed density, 2.2 beds out of 1,000 population.
Drinking water source, improved.
Urban.
92.6% of population.
Rural.
89.1% of population.
Total.
90.1% of population.
Unimproved.
Urban.
7.4% of population.
Rural.
10.9% of population.
Total.
9.9% of population.
Sanitation facility access, improved.
Urban.
48.3% of population.
Rural.
30.9% of population.
Total.
35.8% of population.
Unimproved.
Urban.
51.7% of population.
Rural.
69.1% of population.
Total.
64.2% of population.
HIV/AIDS, adult prevalence rate.
Less than 1%. HIV/AIDS, people living with HIV/AIDS, less than 200. HIV/AIDS deaths, less than 100. Obesity, adult prevalence rate, 7.8%.
Country comparison to the world.
157.
Children under the age of 5 years underweight, 16.9%.
Country comparison to the world.
35.
Education expenditures, 4.3% of GDP.
Country comparison to the world.
96.
Literacy, definition.
Age 15 and over can read and write.
Total population.
77.8%.
Male.
81.8%.
Female.
73.7%.
School life expectancy. Primary to tertiary education. Total.
11 years.
Male.
11 years.
Female.
11 years.
Government.
Comoros.
Country name. Conventional long form.
Union of the Comoros.
Conventional short form.
Comoros.
Local long form.
Ozimawa Komori. Comorian.
Local short form.
Komori. Comorian.
Etymology.
Name derives from the Arabic designation Juzur al-Qamar, meaning islands of the moon.
Union des Comores, French. Jumriyat al-Qamar al-Mutahida, Arabic. Comores, French. Juzur al-Qamar, Arabic.
Government type, Federal Presidential Republic.
Capital, name.
Moroni.
Geographic coordinates.
1142s. 4314e.
Time difference.
UTC +3. 8 hours ahead of Washington, D.C., during Standard Time.
Administrative divisions. 3 islands, Anjouan, Nzuwani, Grand Comore, Ngazida, Mohli, Mli.
Independence, the 6th of July 1975, from France.
National holiday. Independence Day, 6 July, 1975.
Constitution, history.
Previous 1996, 2001. Newest adopted the 30th of July 2018.
Amendments.
Proposed by the President of the Union or supported by at least 1/3 of the Assembly of the Union membership. Adoption requires approval by at 3/4 majority of the total Assembly membership or approval in a referendum. 2019.
Legal system. Mixed legal system of Islamic religious law, the French Civil Code of 1975, and customary law.
International Law Organization participation. Has not submitted an ICJ jurisdiction declaration, except SIC jurisdiction.
Citizenship. Citizenship by birth.
No.
Citizenship by descent only.
At least one parent must be a citizen of the Comoros.
Dual citizenship recognized.
No.
Residency requirement for naturalization.
10 years.
Suffrage. 18 years of age. Universal.
Executive branch. Chief of State.
President Azali Assoumani, since the 26th of May 2016. Vice President Abdelaziz Saruma, since the 26th of May 2016. Jafar Ahmed Said, since the 26th of May 2016. And Maustadroy Ain Abdu, since the 26th of May 2016. Note: the President is both Chief of State and Head of Government.
Head of Government.
President Azali Assoumani, since the 26th of May 2016. Vice President Abdelaziz Saruma, since the 26th of May 2016. Jafar Ahmed Said, since the 26th of May 2016. And Maustadroy Ain Abdu, since the 26th of May 2016.
Cabinet.
Council of Ministers appointed by the President.
Elections. Appointments.
President directly elected by simple majority popular vote in 2 rounds for a 5-year term. Eligible for a second term. Election last held on the 24th of March 2019. Next to be held in 2024.
Election results.
Azali Assoumani elected president in first round. Percent of vote in first round. Azali Assoumani, CRC, 60.8%. Ahmad Mahamudu, 14.6%. And Mwani Baraka Said Soilihi, independent, 5.6%.
Legislative branch. Description.
Unicameral Assembly of the Union, 33 seats. 24 members directly elected by absolute majority vote in 2 rounds if needed, and 9 members indirectly elected by the 3 island assemblies. Members serve 5-year terms.
Elections.
Last held on the 25th of January 2015 with a runoff on the 22nd of February 2015. Next to be held in 2020.
Election results.
Percent of vote by party, up 29.1%, 20.5%, 21.3%, other 29.1%. Seats by party, up Kate, 7, Rudk 2, Kruk 2, Radhi 1, Beck 1, Independent 3. Composition, men 32, women 1%, of women 3%. Note -9 additional seats filled by the 3 island assemblies.
Judicial branch. Highest courts.
Supreme Court or House Supreme consists of 7 judges.
Judge selection and term of office.
Supreme Court judges selection and term of office. NAR.
Subordinate courts.
Court of Appeals. In Moroni. Tribunal de Premier Instance. Island Village. Community. Courts. Religious courts.
Note:
A referendum boycotted by the opposition held on the 30th of July 2018 overwhelmingly approved a new constitutional that resets the rotating presidency in 2019, extends term limits, and abolished constitutional court.
Political parties and leaders. Convention for the Renewal of the Comoros or CRC, Asli Assoumani.
Democratic Rally of the Comoros or RDC. Mwini Baraka.
Juwa Party or PJ. Ahmed Abdullah Sambi, Mahamadou Ahamada.
Party for the Comorian Agreement. Parti pour l'Entente Comorienne, or PC. Fahmy Said Ibrahim.
Rally for an Alternative of Harmonious and Integrated Development or RADI, Abdusofo.
Rally with a Development Initiative for Enlightened Youth or RIJA, Sedla Rifu.
Union for the Development of the Comoros or UPDC, Muhammad Khalifa.
International Organization Participation ACP, AFP, AMF, ALOSIS, OQ, Candidates, Comera, FAO, FS, G77, IBD, ICAO, ICT, ICM, IDA, IDB, IFAD, IFX, ELO, IMF, EMO, IMSO, INOC, Interpol, IOC, IOM, ITSO, ITU, ITUC, NGOs, LAS, MEGA, NAM, OAK, OIF, OPC, UN, UNCTAD, UNESCO, UNIDO, UPU, UCO, WHO, WIPO, WMO, WTO, Observer.
Diplomatic representation in the U.S., Chief of Mission.
Ambassador Soilihi Mohammed Soilihi, since the 18th of November 2014.
Chancery.
Mission to the U.S., 866 United Nations Plaza, Suite 418, New York, New York 10017.
Telephone.
1-212-750-1637.
Fax.
1-212-750-1657.
Diplomatic representation from the U.S. The U.S. does not have an embassy in Comoros. The U.S. ambassador to Madagascar is accredited to Comoros.
Flag description: 4 equal horizontal bands of yellow, top, white, red, and blue, with a green isosceles triangle based on the hoist. Centered within the triangle is a vertical white crescent moon with the convex side facing the hoist and 4 white, 5-pointed stars placed vertically in the line between the points of the crescent. The horizontal band and the 4 stars represent the 4 main islands of the archipelago: Morlaix, Ngazidja, Njuani, and Mahor, Mayotte, Department of France, but claimed by Comoros.
Note:
the crescent, stars, and color green are traditional symbols of Islam.
National symbols: 4 5-pointed stars and crescent moon. National colors:
green, white.
National anthem. Name:
Uzimawa Yamashiwa, the Union of the Great Islands.
Lyrics: Music:
Said Hachim Sidi Abdurrahman / Said Hachim Sidi Abdurrahman and Kamaldeen Abd Allah.
Note:
Adopted 1978.
Economy.
Comoros.
Economy. Overview: one of the world's poorest and smallest economies. The Comoros is made up of 3 islands that are hampered by inadequate transportation links, a young and rapidly increasing population, and few natural resources. The low educational level of the labor force contributes to a subsistence level of economic activity and a heavy dependence on foreign grants and technical assistance. Agriculture, including fishing, hunting, and forestry, accounts for about 50% of GDP, employs a majority of the labor force, and provides most of the exports. Export income is heavily reliant on the 3 main crops of vanilla, cloves, and ylang-ylang, perfume essence, and the Comoros' export earnings are easily disrupted by disasters such as fires and extreme weather. Despite agriculture's importance to the economy, the country imports roughly 70% of its food. Rice, the main staple, and other dried vegetables account for more than 25% of imports. Remittances from about 300,000 Comorans contribute about 25% of the country's GDP. France, Comoros' colonial power, remains a key trading partner and bilateral donor.
Comoros faces an education system in need of upgrades. limited opportunities for private commercial and industrial enterprises, poor health services, limited exports, and a high population growth rate. Recurring political instability, sometimes initiated from outside the country, and an ongoing electricity crisis have inhibited growth. The government, elected in mid-2016, has moved to improve revenue mobilization, reduce expenditures, and improve electricity access, although the public sector wage bill remains one of the highest in sub-Saharan Africa. In mid-2017, Comoros joined the Southern African Development Community with 15 other regional member states.
GDP, purchasing power parity, $1.319 billion.
$1.284 billion.
$1.257 billion.
Note.
Day-to-hour in 2017 dollars.
Country comparison to the world.
201.
GDP. Official exchange rate. $652 million.
GDP. Real growth rate. 2.7%.
2.2%.
1%.
Country comparison to the world.
125.
GDP per capita. PPP. $1,600.
$1,600.
$1,600.
Note.
Data in 2017 dollars.
Country comparison to the world.
216.
Gross national saving. 17.3% of GDP.
13.6% of GDP.
18% of GDP.
Country comparison to the world.
117.
GDP composition by end use. Household consumption.
92.6%.
Government consumption.
20.4%.
Investment in fixed capital.
20%.
Investment in inventories.
Minus 3.1%.
Exports of goods and services.
17.2%.
Imports of goods and services.
Minus 47.1%.
GDP composition by sector of origin. Agriculture.
47.7%.
Industry.
11.8%.
Services.
40.5%.
Agriculture products. Vanilla, cloves, ylang ylang, perfume essence, coconuts, bananas, cassava, manioc.
Industries, fishing, tourism, perfume distillation.
Industrial production growth rate, 1%.
Country comparison to the world.
154.
Labor force, 278,500.
Country comparison to the world.
166.
Labor force by occupation. Agriculture.
80%.
Industry.
20%.
Industry and services.
20%.
Unemployment rate. 6.5%.
Country comparison to the world.
96.
Population below poverty line, 44.8%.
Household income or consumption by percentage share. Lowest 10%.
0.9%.
Highest 10%.
55.2%.
Distribution of family income. Gini index. 55.9.
Country comparison to the world.
8.
Budget, revenues.
165.2 million.
Expenditures.
207.3 million.
Taxes and other revenues. 25.3% of GDP.
Country comparison to the world.
117.
Budget surplus, plus, or deficit, minus 6.5% of GDP.
Country comparison to the world.
188.
Public debt, 32.4% of GDP.
27.7% of GDP.
Country comparison to the world.
160.
Fiscal year, calendar year.
Inflation rate. Consumer prices. 1%.
1.8%.
Country comparison to the world.
50.
Central bank discount rate. 1.93%. The 31st of December 2010.
2.21%. The 31st of December 2009.
Country comparison to the world.
120.
Commercial bank prime lending rate. 10.5%.
10.5%.
Country comparison to the world.
81.
Stock of narrow money. $200.8 million.
$180.5 million.
Country comparison to the world.
183.
Stock of broad money. $200.8 million.
$180.5 million.
Country comparison to the world.
186.
Stock of domestic credit $208.5 million.
$183.9 million.
Country comparison to the world.
184.
Current account balance minus $27 million.
Minus $45 million.
Country comparison to the world.
74.
Exports $18.9 million.
$17.9 million.
Country comparison to the world.
212.
Exports partners France 36.5%, India 12.2%, Germany 8.2%, Pakistan 6.3%, Switzerland 5.8%, South Korea 4.7%, Russia 4.3%.
Exports, commodities, vanilla, ylang ylang, perfume essence, cloves.
Imports $207.8 million.
$189.9 million.
Country comparison to the world.
208.
Imports, commodities, rice and other foodstuffs, consumer goods, petroleum products, cement and construction materials, transport equipment.
Imports, partners, UE 32.8%, France 17.3%, China 13.2%, Madagascar 6.1%, Pakistan 4.5%, India 4.3%.
Reserves of foreign exchange in gold $208 million.
$159.5 million.
Country comparison to the world.
173.
Debt external $199.8 million.
$132 million.
Country comparison to the world.
189.
Exchange rates Comran francs, KMF, per US dollar.
458.2.
444.76.
444.76.
443.6.
370.81.
Energy.
Comoros.
Electricity access. Population without electricity.
200,000.
Electrification. Total population.
69%.
Electrification. Urban areas.
89%.
Electrification. Rural areas.
62%.
Electricity. Production. 42 million.
Country comparison to the world.
207.
Electricity. Consumption. 39.06 million kWh.
Country comparison to the world.
207.
Electricity. Exports 0 kilowatt hours.
Country comparison to the world.
122.
Electricity. Imports 0 kilowatt hours.
Country comparison to the world.
136.
Electricity. Installed generating capacity 27,000 kilowatts.
Country comparison to the world.
203.
Electricity from fossil fuels, 96% of total installed capacity.
Country comparison to the world.
38.
Electricity from nuclear fuels, 0% of total installed capacity.
Country comparison to the world.
68.
Electricity from hydroelectric plants, 4% of total installed capacity.
Country comparison to the world.
131.
Electricity from other renewable sources, 0% of total installed capacity.
Country comparison to the world.
181.
Crude oil production, 0 barrel day.
Country comparison to the world.
121.
Crude oil exports, 0 barrels/day.
Country comparison to the world.
107.
Crude oil imports, 0 barrel day.
Country comparison to the world.
111.
Crude oil proved reserves, 0 barrels.
Country comparison to the world.
118.
Refined petroleum products production, 0 barrel day.
Country comparison to the world.
131.
Refined petroleum products consumption, 1,300 barrels/day.
Country comparison to the world.
202.
Refined petroleum products exports, 0 barrel day.
Country comparison to the world.
144.
Refined petroleum products imports, 1,241 barrels/day.
Country comparison to the world.
198.
Natural gas production, 0 cubic meters.
Country comparison to the world.
117.
Natural gas consumption 0 qm.
Country comparison to the world.
133.
Natural gas exports 0 cubic meters.
Country comparison to the world.
84.
Natural gas imports 0 qm.
Country comparison to the world.
107.
Natural gas proved reserves 0 cubic meters.
Country comparison to the world.
123.
Carbon dioxide emissions from consumption of energy 193,600.
Country comparison to the world.
201.
Communications.
Comoros
Telephones, fixed lines. Total subscriptions.
17,212.
Subscriptions per 100 inhabitants.
2.
Country comparison to the world.
183.
Telephones, mobile cellular. Total subscriptions.
446,868.
Subscriptions per 100 inhabitants.
55.
Country comparison to the world.
173.
Telephone system. General assessment.
Sparse system of microwave radio relay MHF radio to phone communication stations. Telephone service limited to the island's few towns.
Domestic.
Fixed line connections only about 2 per 100 persons. Mobile cellular usage over 55 per 100 persons. 2 companies, Comoros Telecom and Telma, provide domestic and international mobile service in wireless data.
International.
Country code -269. Landing point for the EC fiber optic submarine cable system connecting East Africa with Europe and North America. HF radio to phone communications to Madagascar and Reunion.
Broadcast media. National state-owned TV station and a TV station run by Anjouan Regional Government. National state-owned radio. Regional governments on the islands of Grand Comore and Anjouan each operate a radio station. A few independent and small community radio stations operate on the islands of Grand Comore and Mohi, and these 2 islands have access to Mayotte radio and French TV.
Internet country code .com.
Internet users, total
63,084.
% of population.
7.9%. Country
comparison to the world.
185.
Broadband, fixed subscriptions, total
1,644.
Subscriptions per 100 inhabitants.
Less than 1.
Country comparison to the world.
185.
Transportation.
Comoros.
National Air Transport System. Number of registered air carriers.
2.
Inventory of registered aircraft operated by air carriers.
9.
Civil aircraft registration country code prefix, D6.
Airports. 4.
Country comparison to the world.
186.
Airports, with paved runways, total
4.
2,438 to 3,047 meters.
1.
914 to 1,523 meters.
3.
Roadways, total
880 kilometers.
Paved
673 kilometers.
Unpaved
207 kilometers.
Country comparison to the world.
145.
Merchant marine.
Merchant marine may be defined as all ships engaged in the carriage of goods, or all commercial vessels, as opposed to all non-military ships, which excludes tugs, fishing vessels, offshore oil rigs, etc.
Total
218.
By type.
Bulk carrier 7, container ship 2, general cargo 102, oil tanker 29, other 78.
Country comparison to the world.
64.
Ports and terminals. Major seaports.
Moroni, Mount Samudu.
Military and security.
Comoros.
Military branches. National Army for Development. L'Armée Nationale de Développement, and
Comoran Security Force, also called Comoran Defense Force, Force Comoriende Defense, FCD, includes Gendarmerie, Comoran Coast Guard, Comoran Federal Police.
Military service age and obligation. 18 years of age for 2-year voluntary male and female military service. No conscription.
Transnational issues.
Comoros.
Disputes. International claims. French-administered Mayotte challenges France's and Madagascar's claims to Banque du Geyser, a drying reef in the Mozambique Channel. In May 2008, African Union forces assisted the Comoros military recapture Anjouan Island from rebels who seized it in 2001.
Trafficking in persons. Current situation.
Comoros is a source country for children subjected to forced labor and, reportedly, sex trafficking domestically, and women and children are subjected to forced labor in Mayotte. It is possibly a transit and destination country for Malagasy women and girls and a transit country for East African women and girls exploited in domestic service in the Middle East. Comoran children are forced to labor in domestic service, roadside and street vending, baking, fishing, and agriculture. Some Comoran students at Quranic schools are exploited for forced agricultural or domestic labor, sometimes being subjected to physical and sexual abuse. Comoros may be particularly vulnerable to transnational trafficking because of inadequate border controls, government corruption, and the presence of international criminal networks.
Tier rating.
Tier 3. Comoros does not fully comply with the minimum standards for the elimination of trafficking and was placed on Tier 3 after being on the Tier 2 watch list for 2 consecutive years without making progress. Parliament passed revisions to the Penal Code in 2014, including anti-trafficking provisions and enforcement guidelines, but these amendments have not yet been passed approved by the President and put into effect. A new child labour law was passed in 2015 prohibiting child trafficking, but existing laws do not criminalise the forced prostitution of adults. Authorities did not investigate, prosecute, or convict alleged trafficking offenders, including complicit officials. The government lacked victim identification and care referral procedures, did not assist any victims during 2014, and provided minimal support to NGOs offering victims psychosocial services.